Hi friends, today we will see one more topic while we are going inward. Today's topic is going through void. All of us must have faced this kind of situation, the void, don't know what to do. Or you may see there is an emptiness in your heart or brain, okay? What do you think this is the state? This is the state of consciousness. This is a state of consciousness that you can go and break your old things. You can go beyond your limits. You think that I can do only this, I can do only that, right? So in this void state, you can expand yourself and you can think more and you can do something which is by breaking your familiar structures, your habits or the thoughts that what you are actually doing it. You are going deeper into your inside. You are creating a new things that match to your higher self. Because your higher self is guiding you, you are actually trying to do something that likes you. So while you are switching or transitioning, you are actually placing this kind of void. This may last for hours, days or even months. But this is the stage where you can revive yourself. Imagine just a bird is flying in the jet stream. Okay, when it is bird and it looks up and there is a, there says the higher flow that it wants to join. When it wants to join, it is learning by itself. It is not doing, nobody is teaching the bird to go higher thing and how to fly and all those things. It doesn't know whether it can sustain or it may, with that thing, it may fall down to the previous thing. It doesn't know, but still it will try. It will try and learn the lessons by itself. Similarly, when the void occurs, remember that this is an aspect of your personality that no longer fits. The previous personality is no longer fits that you are what you are becoming now. Okay, so your personality is a guidance of your higher self. Now your new personality is guidance of your higher self. So you are actually facing that voidness. So the void is the state of transition to change. So when you want to change that, there is a state of transition. That time you will feel that void. In this state, you may feel that your life is changing rapidly. The foundations are falling away and leaving your nothing solid to hang on. You feel that whatever that I did all these days, there's nothing to hang on and I'm just going new and the life is changing me rapidly. Let it go. Because now your higher self is guiding you and it is going to guide you for your better. You may feel that it is not comfortable place for your personality which likes the things that certain secure. Okay, means you may feel that this is not the place that you are in, so you are going and you are actually trying to build the new things. You may quit suppose this voidness you may find in between the projects. When you are not having a project or anything, right? Or when your the youngest kid leaves the home for the college, or when you quit the job and do not decide yet what to do, or when your close friend leaves from your place to some other place. So all these are all the times where you can feel void also. This is the time where you can reinvent yourself, where you can travel inside and see, how can I do? What can I do? How can I love myself? What I want to do? How can I be more lovable? All these questions will come because you are thinking inward. When you are thinking inwards, you are actually learning about yourself. That is self-consciousness. So you are trying to learn self-consciousness when you are connecting to your higher self. So this time of uncertainty will help you to rise your vibrations. When you rise your vibrations, you expand your thinking by you may be leaving your old habits and patterns. The void can make you feel much less social than usual also. Don't worry about it. It may, because you are actually increasing your vibrations. When you are increasing vibrations, you may want to change your circumstances also, right? So that may be the reason why you may be the less social. You will become more compassionate, more lovable. Even with your partner, husband or wife, you may not feel so much physical touch or anything because you don't want your aura to be interfered by any others. Even though you are becoming more lovable, but you do not want your aura to be touched by any other. Your aura of the people is the energy is there, right? So that energy, you are raising a part of your vibration. So you want to be yourself for some time when you are going through this void. You may feel empty, lonely inside when you are surrounded by the people also, because you want that loneliness time. You want time for yourself at the times of void. You can reflect your things with your by connecting to your higher self. You are deeper inside. You have a deeper connection to yourself. You're not having deeper connection to anybody else. You are having deeper connections to yourself, means your self-consciousness. You may feel physically different, over-energized, or wanting to sleep more or something like that, because you are actually doing your inner work. In the process of rising vibration, sometimes you may pass the period of confusion also. You may feel that, what am I doing all these days? What I want to do now? How to go? Do I need to leave all this? So this kind of confusion also will be there, and the moods will be inconsistent. As your internal world grows more intense, your mind feels more different. The void is the time when you are learning to think in a new ways. When it comes, this is the time when you think the new ways and new creative ways also. You may wonder if you are losing memory also, but at the same time you may think like the past memories, you may be able to get it, and you may think more clearly. Sometimes you may feel you are losing the memory. Sometimes you feel there is a lot of clarity of the insights and ideas are pouring within you, because you are actually connecting to your higher self. You may see that long forgotten things are also pouring, because that is maybe creating what you are actually want to do for the future. There comes a time when the vision of you requires to let go of something you created, whatever you want. Sometimes you may want to let go. This void teaches you about your attachments. So this is the time to examine your relationships, feelings, attitudes, and values also. So sometimes you may want to let go of the relationships also which no longer needed, which no longer serve the purpose of your life. So not knowing can be the doorway to the true knowing. Sometimes you may say, I don't know, right? Not knowing can be the doorway to the true knowing. Many of people fear that void offers neither solid nor the clear identity. Don't worry, void will give you the better thoughts. The void gives you many choices and new possibilities. It is giving you lot of opportunities. As you connect to your higher self, and you grow more stronger, and you draw yourself many new opportunities that matches to your higher vibrations. So friends, this is the time. Utilize and see that there is a more time, and you can connect to your higher self and with your higher vibrations. As you raise your vibrations, you probably find yourself to void more often, because you may experience this kind of void situations more and more often. If you are experiencing the void in any area of your life, do the things that loving yourself. If you are experiencing the void, then do things that you love, not the things that others love, you love. Living the void can be the stimulating, challenging, and expansive. But live it. It is a stimulating, it's a challenging. Do not rush into the decision just to have things again and again. So just take your time and think. Love the void. First, love the void. Even through the nothing seems to be happening, when you are doing much inner work, it is the void that creates you the new opportunities for your higher future. Times of uncertainty is also the times of new possibilities. Go for it, friends. Go for it. Okay, so don't worry about the void. But this uncertain times you may feel more void, but don't worry. Think, do some inner work. Think what you love to do it. You can create the opportunities, and you can love the life more than before. Thank you, friends.